Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today I'll be showing you how to find your Facebook ID or your account username, and now let's dive right in. Now to find your Facebook ID, first open up your Facebook app and make sure to be logged into the account on which you want to find your Facebook ID. And after you land over here guys, at the top right corner of the screen you can see your profile picture icon with small three lines at the top right corner just below the messenger icon. Tap on the three lines, and over here guys tap on the settings icon at the top right corner of the screen just beside the magnifying glass icon, and you'll be over here guys. Now tap on the Meta account center like this, and again tap on profiles and tap on Facebook, and where it says the username just below the name, tap on your username, and over here just wait for it guys. And this is your Facebook ID guys, and guys, this is how you find your Facebook ID on Facebook. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, please feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.